Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to use Grok Imagine to create AI videos. The world of AI-generated content is expanding rapidly, and with Grok Imagine, you can effortlessly transform a static image into a lively video. Imagine having the power to animate your favorite photos or create engaging visual content for social media with just a few clicks. This tool is perfect for anyone looking to add a dynamic touch to their digital creations without needing extensive video editing skills. By the end of this guide, you'll not only be skilled at turning images into videos, but you'll also understand how to tailor the settings to achieve the perfect look and feel for your project. To get started, open up Grok and navigate to the Imagine tab located on the left-hand sidebar. This is your creative hub where all the magic happens. Now, if your interface looks a little different from what you see here, it might be a good idea to check that you're using the latest version of the software. Once you're on the Imagine tab, you'll find yourself in the visual editor. Here, it's crucial to make your first key decision by selecting the video option from the bottom toolbar's drop-down menu. This step is important because it tells Grok that you want to create motion rather than a still image. If you accidentally leave it on image mode, your settings won't result in any animation. So be sure to make this selection carefully. Next, you'll need to set your preferences for the video you're about to create. Start by deciding on the duration, quality, and aspect ratio of your video. The duration determines how long your final clip will be. If you're looking for quick previews, opt for a shorter duration since they render faster. On the other hand, longer clips provide more space for movement and can create a richer visual experience. Moving on to quality. Remember that higher quality settings will produce sharper and more detailed videos, but may also require more time to generate. It's all about finding the right balance between time and visual fidelity. Lastly, the aspect ratio will dictate your video's shape. Choose vertical for formats like stories and shorts, square for general social media posts, or landscape for platforms like YouTube and professional presentations. If you're uncertain, starting with a shorter duration, medium quality, and an aspect ratio suited to your intended platform is a safe bet. Now it's time to upload your image. Choose a picture that is clear, well-lit, and has a strong central subject to ensure the best results. Along with the image, you'll need to type a prompt describing the type of motion or transformation you're aiming for. Be specific and concise. Mention elements like camera movement, mood, style, or animation type. Perhaps you want a subtle motion, a cinematic sweep, some particle effects, or a smooth pan. Be sure you have the right to use the image you're uploading to avoid any legal issues. When you're satisfied with your settings and prompt, click the Submit icon. It's a good practice to double-check everything before hitting Submit to avoid the hassle of re-rendering later. Grok will now take some time to process your video. The rendering speed will vary based on your chosen duration and quality settings, so patience is key. You'll see a progress indicator as it works, but make sure not to refresh the page during this process. Once your video is ready, preview it to confirm that the motion, clarity, and framing meet your expectations. If you're not entirely happy with the result, don't worry. You can tweak the duration, quality, or aspect ratio and refine your prompt for another attempt. With a few iterations, you'll soon discover the perfect combination that works best for your style and project needs. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to use Grok Imagine to create AI videos. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online so you never miss an update.